Python. Function to determine if number is square, cube, etc. My simple problem is to create a function that determines if a number n can be written as a to the power of n for some given n, i.e. I need to check if n(1/n) is a whole number. Somehow this function yields wrong results. For n equals 2 it works. For n equals 3 and n equals 1, 8, 27 the function yields true, which is correct. But from then on false, e.g. for 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64 or 5 times 5 times 5 is equal to 125. How can I create a working function that finds numbers that are squares, cubes, etc.?
Floating point arithmetic is not exact. C is floating point math broken? So check your answer using exact integer math. Round r to the nearest integer then see if the power works. This Python 3 code removes some of your redundant typecasting. For Python 2, wrap the calculation of r into an int typecast, which is not needed for Python 3.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.